Yeah, hi everyone. So in this video, just I'm going to explain you introduction of Vedic math. Okay, so that means what is Vedic math, who is the father of Vedic math, so what are the benefits you should get after learning Vedic math, here how many sutras are there in Vedic math. So each and everything I will explain in this video. Okay, so first of all, what is Vedic math? So here Vedic math is a system of mind calculations. Is a system of mind calculations or is a system of mental calculations. Okay, that means most of the calculations we can do in our mind only in Vedic math. Most of the calculations. Okay, so that's why it is a system of mental calculations, or simply we can say that it's a shortcut methods to mathematics. It's a shortcut tricks. Okay, so this is the definition of Vedic math. Okay, then who is the father of Vedic math? Who introduced Vedic mathematics to us? One particular person is there. His name is Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj. Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj. He is the father of Vedic mathematics. He is the father of Vedic mathematics. Okay, so here actually this Vedic mathematics has come from Vedas. Okay, so majorly we are having four Vedas, that is Yajurveda, Samaveda, Rigveda and Atharva Veda. Okay, so in this Rigveda deals with mantras, Rigveda deals with mantras, Yajurveda deals with medicine, and Samaveda deals with music, and Atharva Veda deals with mathematics. Atharva Veda deals with mathematics. So here whatever the methods we are going to learn, so all those methods were collected from Vedas only, especially from Atharva Veda. Okay, so that's why this mathematics we call it as Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics. Okay, here are how many sutras are there in Vedic math? Here in Vedic math total 29 sutras are there. Total 29 sutras are there. In those 29 sutras, 16 are main sutras and 13 are sub sutras. 16 main sutras and 13 sub sutras. Total 29 sutras. 16 plus 13, total 29 sutras. So all these 29 sutras are word formulae in the form of sentence, not a plus b whole square, not a minus b whole square, not a plus b whole cube, not like that. So all these 29 sutras are word formulae in the form of sentence. So example for this one is ekadikena purvena, ekadikena purvena, eka adikena purvena. So one more than the previous one. So ekadikena purvena is the Sanskrit name, and one more than the previous one is a English name. Okay, so eka adikena purvena, eka means one, adikera means more, purvena means previous, so one more than the previous one. So ekanyunena purvena, one less than the previous one. Nikilam navatah charamam dashataha, so all from 9, last from 10. Urdhvatiryagbyam, Urdhvatiryagbhyam, so vertical and crosswise, crisscross. So like this total 29 sutras are there. So all these 29 sutras are word formally. So in the form of sentence only. So that's why. So total Vedic mathematics depends upon these 29 sutras only. Whatever the topics, so that means addition, subtractions, multiplication, divisions, decimals, percentages, square roots. Okay, so averages, conversions, LCM, HCF, whatever the method is there, so total all these methods, it depends upon these 29 sutras only. So we will use only some of the sutras in these 29 sutras. Okay, so here these sutras we can easily remember and we can do the problems with the help of these 29 sutras only. Okay, so here so what is the Sanskrit name of Vedic math? So here the Sanskrit name for Vedic math is Dashamsha Paddhati. Dashamsha Paddhati. Dasha means 10. It's a purely 10 based method. That means while doing the problems in Vedic math, maximum we will take base as 10. So for addition, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, whatever it is, maximum in Vedic math we will take base as 10. So that's why the Sanskrit name for Vedic math is Dashamsha Paddhati. Dashamsha Paddhati. Okay, so here what are the features of Vedic math? So here majorly Vedic math has three features. So those are intuitive, reversible and completion. Intuitive, reversible and completion. So what is intuitive? So intuitive means, so always intuitive mind will work from left to right. Intuitive mind will work from left to right. That means it's a fast thinking. Intuitive thinking is nothing but fast thinking. So if we do the problems left to right, so automatically our calculation speed will be improved. So why? Because reading and writing all we are doing from left to right. If you solve the problems from left to right, automatically our calculation speed will be improved. Okay, so here with the help of Vedic math, just we can improve intuitive thinking in ourselves. With the help of Vedic math, we can improve intuitive thinking in ourselves. Okay, so that is left to right thinking. Left to right thinking, with the help of Vedic math, just we can improve intuitive thinking. Okay, that means in Vedic math most of the problems just we solve left to right. Left to right, that may be addition, subtractions, multiplications. So most of the problems just we do left to right. So that's why our intuitive thinking will be improved. Left to right thinking, it's a fast thinking. Okay, so next one is reversible. Okay, so reversible means it's so here Vedic math has a reversible process. So that means if we know multiplications, we can learn divisions very easily. So if we know divisions, we can learn multiplications very easily. And if we know squares, we can learn square roots very easily. And if we know square roots, we can learn squares very easily. And if we know cubes, we can learn cube roots very easily. And if we know cube roots, we can learn cubes very easily. Totally, it's a reversible process. It's a reversible process. And next one is completion. So here Vedic math is a complete system. Vedic math is a complete system. With the help of Vedic math, we can cover all the topics of mathematics. So not only arithmetical operations. So arithmetical operations are 4 plus, minus, into, divided by. So not only arithmetical operations, most of the mathematics we can learn through Vedic math. So most of the mathematics. So LCM, HCF, algebra. Okay, so algebra, so averages, percentages, conversions. So each most of the topics we can learn through Vedic math. So it's a complete system. It's a complete system. So here majorly what are the benefits we should get after learning Vedic math? So majorly with the help of Vedic math we can improve our mind calculations. We can improve our mind calculations. That means most of the calculations, maximum 90% of the calculations in Vedic math we can do in our mind only. So with the help of Vedic math we can improve our mind calculations. And next one is it reduces number of steps. It reduces time. So it reduces number of steps, it reduces time. So we can solve the problems very fast. Okay, so it teaches time management. So it reduces number of steps, it reduces time. Okay, so next one is it improves concentration and confidence levels. It improves concentration and confidence levels in the students. Okay, and it is very much useful for those who are going to write Olympiad exams, talent tests, all entrance exams, and all competitive exams, etc. Okay, so this is very useful Vedic maths. Okay, why? Because all these are shortcut tricks. That means with the help of Vedic math, we can solve the problems very fast. We can improve our mind calculations. So majorly we can improve our mind calculations. We can think very fast. Okay, so majorly we can do the problems very fast. So here it eradicates mathematics phobia in the students. It removes math phobia. It's a different method. So here Vedic math is not fixed to one particular method. Just we are giving one thought to them. So with the help of this method, they can invent their own method also. It's not fixed to one particular method. Just we are giving one thought. Okay, so this is the beauty of Vedic math. It's not fixed to one particular method. This is the beauty of Vedic mathematics. Okay, so these are the benefits we should get after learning Vedic math. Okay, yeah, this is about Vedic math. Okay, is it clear all of you? Yeah, thank you.